السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. Welcome back, dear brothers and sisters. I welcome you all to Medina Book 3. Inshallah, we'll be doing class 24 today. So, continuing our lesson 5. So, we're going to finish the chapter and do certain exercises in this class, inshallah. So, we stopped at the sentence where the Mudir Mahdiyun, so Mahdiyun, the one who is visiting, okay, he says, فَأُحِبُّ أَنْ أَطَّلَعَ عَلَى مَنَاهِجِهِ وَكُتُبِهِ, that I would love to familiarize, أَنْ أَطَّلَعَ مَصْدَرْ مُعَوَّلْ عَلَى مَنَاهِجِ, so أَطَّلَعَ comes with Allah, to familiarize myself with the curriculum and its book. So the centers, curriculum and the books. So let's see what the Mudir says. Al-Mudir says, Marhaban bika masmuk. So you're most welcome. What's your name? Masmuk. So Ashabu. So again we know this is your ism fa'il, and Al-Mudir is also ism fa'il. So this one comes from the muda'af shabba, shabun. So Ashabu. So say ismi, my name is Mahdiyun, Mahdi ibn Abdul Hadi. So very interesting here. So if you have a look, so it says Mahdiyun ism maf'ul. So it comes from Hada Yahdi Mahdiyun. So originally, so we know it will be Mahduyun, Mahduyun. But because of Ya, what happens is the waw change into Ya, and the Ain kalima will get kasra. It becomes Mahdiyun. So ism maf'ul. So we know we need to see from where it comes, what's the root word, and whether it is naqis, ajwab. So we know this is naqis. So here it is ibnu. So Mahdi ibnu. So here the alif is dropped. So we're going to learn later on why it's dropped. So Mahdiyun, son of Mahdi ibnu. Abdi is mudaf alayhi complex here. Abdil Hadi. So again, what is Hadi? Is your ism fa'il, Hadi. So what is it's because naqis. So we know if there is no al, it would have been hadin. Because we got al here, so what happens? The ya comes out. It says al hadi. So the name of the young man is ismi Mahdi ibn Abdul Hadi. So Mudir says يدرس في معهدنا دارسون من معظم بلاد العام. So we'll see what it is here. So يدرس. So we're looking for, this is the fa'il salim. So we're looking for the fa'il. So we know fi ma'ahadina is jar majroor. It cannot be a fa'il complex here. So what we should, we're looking for marfu. So darisuna. See, darisuna. Waw is sign of marfu. Jama muzakkar salim. So the people who study in our institute, fi ma'ahadina, fi harf jar ism majroor wa mudaf an-nun. Na is your mudaf ilayhi. Min mu'azzama. See, mu'azzama, not mu'azzama, it's mu'azzama. See, it's from most of the countries of the world. So, mu'azzam mi biladil alam. So, from the most of the countries of the world. Yatarawahu adaduhum bayna arba'imiyati wa khamsina wa khamsimiyati. So, what does it say here? Yatarawahu means fluctuation or alternation. So here tarawaha, yatarawaha. What's the form here? So if you see with tarawaha, letter number 3 with the form 3 plus 3 is 6, form 6, and yatarawahu. So all fathas. So it gives, you know, it is either form 5 or 6. So this is form 6. So which means fluctuation. So what we looking again here is any fa'al. So we're looking for the fa'il. Where is the fa'il here? Adadu. So adadu is your fa'il because it's marfu. So the number of theirs. So is mudaf alayhi, or their number fluctuates bayna, between arba'i miyati wa khamsina, between 450 wa khamsimiyati and 500. So the number fluctuates between 450 and 500. وَمُدَّةُ الدِّرَاسَةِ, the duration of the course. مُدَّةُ الدِّرَاسَةِ فيه سنتان. So the duration of course in it is your sanatan. So again, it's interesting to see what type of jumla is this. So muddatu. So if you see, it's not a fa'il, it's a ism. So jumlatul ismiya. So mubtada wa huwa mudaf, ad-dirasati mudaf ilayhi, fihi is jar majroor. But where is the khabar we're looking at? Khabar is sanatan. So one word, we know khabar, one is one word, is marfu. So what is the sign of marfu here in sanatan? So in it's 2 years. So ani, this alif tells us that it is the sign of marfu. So the duration of the course is 2 years. So that's how we recognize. هذه نسخة من المناهج. See, نسخ. This is the, or you can say copy from the curriculum. وهي هدية لك, and this is a gift to you. And here هدية. So why again we know it is why it is muannas, because it's representing nuskhatun. So and this is here a gift for you. وهذه بعض كتبنا, and this is some of the books. بعض, again we know these are all special mudafs. So what comes afterward is a mudaf ilayhi, وهو مضاف, and again na is a mudaf ilayhi. And this is ismu ishara. So how do we describe ismu ishara? مبني على كسرة في محل رفع, and بعد is your khabar, one word marfu. So this is how we analyze and we understand how the sentence is constructed, inshallah. So there are, and the mudir is giving him the curriculum as a gift and also some books. So that's your ism file. So darisuna is your ism file. It comes from, what is the root word here? Darasa yadrusu wa huwa darisun, and darisuna is jama mudhakkar salim. So that's how it is. So Mahdin, again he says, ism maf'ul here. أين يمكنني شراء هذه الكتب. So أين, now it is where. It's coming of ismul istifham. So where is it possible? يمكنني. So we know amkana yumkinu always has it can have a masdar proper as a fa'il, or it can have masdar mu'awwal as a fa'il. So if you look at this sentence here, so it says, where is it possible for me? Yumkinuni. So no, ya mutakallim. So what is possible? Shira'u. So what is shira'u? It's masdar from for buying. So it comes from the fa'il ishtara. So ishtara, yashtari. So if you want to change this, the masdar into masdar mu'awwal, how would we do it? So it's aina yumkinuni an ashtariya. An ashtariya. So an is harfum nasbin wa masdarin. So it gives masdar. So ishtara, yashtari. So when it becomes mansub, it becomes yashtariya, and when it represents ana, it will be ana ashtariya. So aina yumkinuni an ashtariya hadihil kutuba. So what happens when an ashtariya is used? So hadihi becomes maf'ulun bihi, and what comes after ismul ishara is your badal, and that will have the vowel sign of hadihi, that is a mansub. But whereas here in the sentence, what we see here, it is aina yumkinuni shira'u hadihil kutubi. Where is it possible for me buying of this book? So hadihi, here it is majroor because it is mudaf ilayhi, and al-kutubi will be again majroor. Whereas if you change into masdar mu'awwal, so the aina yumkinuni an ashtariya hadihi al-kutuba. So this is how the vowel sign, the i'rab of the sentence changes, and we should be able to identify how and why the i'rab is changing. That is what is Arabic all about, the i'rab, the vowel signs. So Al-Mudir says, هذه الكتب لا تباع. So these books la tuba'u. So what is this la tuba'u? So we know tuba'u. So it is majhul. So it is majhul. So what is the root word? It's ba'a yabi'u, and majhul will be, we know it is bi'a. Whenever it is ajwaf, whether it is ajwaf al-wawi or ajwaf al-ya'i, so we know the majhul will be only one from this, fi, that is bi'a, and mudari will be yuba'u. So here, because it is kutub is, jama, kullu jama muannas, so it is considered as a female. So what we have here, la tuba'u, not for sale. These books are not sold. These books are not sold. Yumkinuka. See, yumkinuka again, amkana yumkinu. So it will have a masdar or masdar muawwal as your fa'il. So ka is your maf'ulun bihi. Mansubun, that's why you have the damir, which is muttasilun of mansub. Al-husulu. Husulu is to get something. It is possible for you to get alayha. So it comes with ala. Husul comes with ala. Majjanan. It is possible for you to get this majjanan. What is majjanan? That is your maf'ulun mutlaq. So the sentence originally should have, masul maf'ulun mutlaq is the masdar which is formed from the verb which is used in the sentence. So if you have to change this masdar, this al-husulu and masdar muawwal, so yumkinuka an tahsula alayha husulan majjanan. So that husulan is maf'ulun mutlaq, whereas majjanan is replacing. That's why we have here the indefinite tanween fatha. So it is possible for you to buy it free. Mim markazi shu'unin da'awati. Shu'unin da'awati. So it is from the department of the affairs of dawah. You can say shu'un means affairs, and da'awati is your inviting people. In markazi shu'un da'awati. يدخل ساخ ويصب لهما القهوة. So now it's been describing what's happening in the scenario here. يدخل دخل يدخل, looking for the fa'il. So we know fa'il is marfu. Where is the fa'il here? Saqin. So we know, we see kasra here. How do we know it is marfu? Because originally it is saqiyun. Saqiyun, that's the ism fa'il. And because it is naqis, the ya is taken away and you get compulsory kasra. So it is saqin, but it is marfu. The one who pours, the one is like a cup bearer, you can say, one who gives you tea and coffee. So he enters. Wayasubbu. Sabba yasubbu is to pour something from top. So, and he pours for them lahumal qahwata. So he pours for them coffee, for both of them. So saqin is your ism fa'il. So this says, Ad'uka li ziyarati ma'ahadina. I invite you. Da'a yad'u. Da'a yad'u. Ad'uka means I invite you. Li ziyarati ma'ahadina. To visit our center. So hadihi bitaqati. So this is, so hadihi is mubtada, bitaqatu is your khabar, and ya mutakallim, because of ya we get kasra. So this is my card, you can say visiting card. Wafiha unwani. So in it is my address. Wa unwanu ma'ahadi, and address of my center. أول لحضور مؤتمر في باكستان بعد أشهر. So say here, I am mad'oon. So what is mad'oon? Is your ism maf'ul. It comes from da'a yad'u. Da'a yad'u mad'oon. So we know, again it is naqis al-wawi. So what happens here? So you get shadda. So mad'oon. So it's a normal pattern, but you get shadda here, mad'oon. لحضور مؤتمر في باكستان. to attend a conference. To attend a conference. So hudur is comes from hadara yahdur hudur. That's the masdar. In fi Pakistan. So we know Pakistan is mamnu' min as-sarf. That's why there is no kasra. Instead of there is a harf jar here. Ba'da ashhurin, after few months. Sa'antahizu. So sa is your harf al-istiqbal. Antahizu means it comes from intahaza, yantahizu, antahizu. It is the same like what we did in the previous lesson. The same meaning is like irghanama, to seize an opportunity. To seize. So it is the same, exactly the same meaning. Two verbs with the same meaning. Antahizu is to seize. So it says, I take this hadihil fursata. So when hadihi is your mafulun bihi and al fursata is your badal, that's why you have fatha. So I take this opportunity. Wa azuru, zara yazuru. Again it is ajwaf, al wawi. Ma'ahdikum inshallah. So I will visit your center inshallah, if Allah wills. So as-saqi, again see, saqi is your ism fa'il from saqa yasqi. As-saqi is a saqin, but because of al it becomes the ya visible. So if these things we keep in mind, so it will be easy for us to understand so what is happening and what is each word representing. أَأَصُبُّ لَكَ مَزِيدًا مِنَ الْقَهْوَةَ يَا شَيْخ. So shall I pour for you more mazidan? So more for you from the coffee, ya shaykh. See? So Mahdiyun, he says la wa shukran. So this is how the etiquettes of Arabic, where when you say no thanks, so English we say no thanks, but here you don't say la shukran. La shukran means there's no thanks for you. We say la wa shukran is the right way of saying no and I thank you. So la wa shukran. So you don't say la shukran, so it changes the meaning and it sounds a bit rude. Asta'zinuka al-an ya fazilat al-shaykh. So again we need to say asta'zana. So what form of word is this? So you say ista'zana yasta'zinu. You say alif, sin and ta, we know this is form 10. So what is this verb means? Means I take your permission. So I take permission. So asta'zinu comes, I take your permission now. Ya fazilat al-shaykh. So ya fazilat al-shaykh is connotation when you address a scholar or when you address somebody else, you say ya fazilat al-shaykh, oh honorable shaykh. So you say jazakallahu khairan. Jazakallahu khairan. So may Allah reward you with the what is the best. So this is how you say. You just don't say jazakallah. So may Allah recompense or may Allah reward you. It could be either sharran or khairan. So you always end up and you say jazakallahu khairan. So it could mean jazakallahu sharran. So it means may Allah reward you with something harm. So astaghfirullah, we don't want that to our well-wishers. So we say jazakallahu khairan. So we'll see what the Mudir replies for this. He says ila liqa. Say you see you again. So it means just say goodbye, see you again until we meet again. So that's what it means. Ila liqa, it comes from the root word laqiya, to meet. So sahibatka as-salamatu fi halli wa tarhal. It's a very beautiful dua actually. If somebody is traveling, what you say here. It's sahiba, which is to accompany. So ka is a mafulun bihi. So what is going to accompany you is as-salamatu, peace. The peace accompany you when fil halli, in you staying here, wa tarhal, and in your journey. So tarhal. So rihla comes from rihla. That's the root word here. So tarhal. So may the peace accompany you when you're staying here and you. So say wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. And he ends with the salutation, taslim. So this brings us to the end of the lesson. So we have learned how to identify ism fa'il, ism maf'ul, and from ajwaf, naqis al-wawi, naqis al-ya'i, ajwaf al-wawi and ajwaf al-ya'i. So we're going to do more exercises, inshallah. So we're going to quickly touch upon a few exercises, and then we'll see as much as we can do in this lesson, and otherwise we're going to continue in our next class. So going forward, Tamareen. So first question from the lesson. Ajib anil asliyatil atiyati. So we know, or now we'll analyze the questions here. Ajib, we know it comes from ajaba, yujibu, which is form 4. Ajib means answer. Anil asliyati, answer the following questions. So, man zairun, who is the visitor? Masmuhu, what is his name? Lima zara ma'ahad. So, why did he visit the center? So, we're going to say who is visited. So, the visitor, az-zairu, is muhadirun, is a lecturer. So, muhadirun fi ma'ahad al-lughat al-arabi bi Lahore. So, in the Center for Arabic Language in Lahore, in the Masmuhu, Ismuhu Mahdi ibn Hadi, Mahdi ibn Abdul Hadi, and Lima Zar al Ma'ahad. So it says Zar al Ma'ahad liyattali'a. So yattali'a ala. So always ittala yattali'u, it comes from. So here we need to say interestingly here. So li yattali'a. So there is, it's not majroor, because we know the fa'al cannot be majroor, can never be majroor. But why there is fatha here? Because this is an mudmara. This an mudmara, lam ta'lil. So li an yattaliya. So we take the an away. So it becomes li yattaliya, to familiarize himself, to acquaint himself with the manahijihi wa kutubihi. So this is to be the answer to question 1. We say question 2. Atuba'u kutubul ma'ahadi. So again, we need to analyze it. Tuba'u, what type of fa'al is this? Is fa'al majhul. So from bi'a, yuba'u, tuba'u. So we're looking for naib fa'il. So whenever there is majhul, we don't look for fa'il, we look for naib fa'il. So again, it will have same marfu, damma. So it's a kutubu is your naib fa'il. And that's why we have, because kutubu is kullu jama mu'annas, we have the fa'al which is tuba'u. So if it is single book, it will be yuba'u kitabul. So but here it is kutubu, so it becomes kullu jama mu'annas, so we have tuba'u. Atuba'u kutubul ma'ahad, or the books of the center for sale. That's what it means here. Are they being sold? Min aina yumkinu husula alayha. So from where is it possible to get them? So we know. So la tuba'u. So we just have to say la tuba'u kutubul ma'ahadi wa yumkinu husula, and it's possible for it to obtain them. Alayha, husul always comes with harf jar ala. So alayha min markazi shu'un ad-dawati. So from the affairs of the dawa, from the center of affairs of invitation against the dawa. So next exercise. أين الأفعال الجوفاء في الأمثلة الآتية. So what is jawfa? It comes from the plural. Singular is ajwaf. So where is the ajwaf fa'il in the following example? So become bi'at sayyaratuka ya Zubair. So become bi'at. See, bi'at. So what is the fa'il here? So we know ba'a yabi'u. It is ajwaf al ya'i. Ba'a yabi'u. So and we know ajwaf, the majhul will be bi'a. And why is it bi'at? Because sayyaratu is your naib fa'il. So we don't say fa'il again. Remember, it is naib fa'il. That's why it is muannas. So we have muannas fa'il. So for how much did your car was sold, ya Zubair? So he's replying bi'at bi ashrati alafi riyal. So it is sold for 10,000 riyal. So here we know ba'a yabi'u, that's your ajwab. Huna tuba'u as-suhuf wal majallatu. So here, so again tuba'u is your ba comes from ba'a yabi'u ajwaf al-ya'i again. So why it is tuba'u? Because suhuf is kullu jama muannas wal majallatu waw is ataf and majallatu is mawtufun ala, and here it is sold. So if it's a newspaper shop, you will see this here, that newspapers and magazines are sold here. This is how we translate. Yuqalu. So again, yuqalu means it is said. Qala yaqulu, and majhul it is yuqalu. So we know that when there is qala, so if the sentence had to be emphasized after qala, we still use inna, we don't use anna. So that's why we have here inna. It is said that truly, inna, again we need to have ism and khabar. So ismu inna, we know it is mansoob. So hadihi is your ismu inna, and al-arda is your badal, that's why it's called mansoob. So truly, this land, satuba'u bil mazadi. This land, truly this land will be sold. Say ba'a yabi'u, that's your ajwaf al-ya'i again. So here, satuba'u, that it will be sold bil mazadi. So bil mazadi means auction. So we can see the root word here, mazada. So it is where you increase the price. So bil mazad, so it's called auction. Fourth one, ayukalu tamru am yuzanu. So very nice sentence here. So kala yakilu, which means he measured, and if we take it to majhul, it will be kila yukalu. So that is the ajwaf al-ya'i. So, and again we're looking for naib fa'il. So this naib fa'il, at-tamru means the date. Is the date measured? Or this yuzadu, wazana, yazinu, we know it is al-mithal al-wawi, and we know when it is made majhul, so yuf'alu will be yuzanu. So the waw is retained. So, or it is weighed. So, you know, when you go to Makkah, probably people would have seen, you know, the date shops, you know, whether they measured it in like a jug or it is weighed by kilos. So that's why here it's been asked the question. So wafit tanzil. So fit tanzil is in Quran. So again, looking at this word tanzil, what is the verb here? This is a masdar, taf'il, form 2, and what is the verb? It is nazzala, yunazzilu, and tanzil, that is which has been revealed in the Quran. It says وَإِذَا قِيلَ لَهُمُ ارْكَعُوا لَا يَرْكَعُونَ. And when, so we're going to learn about iza inshallah in future classes. It's conditional sentences when we learn. It's very beautiful. So now we're just going to translate. When, we know qila means it is said. Qila means it was told to them. Qila lahum arka'u. So again we know, because it is hamzatul wasl, we say lahum arka'u. So the verb here is raka yarku. Raka yarka'u means irka'u. But because of this word coming in before, this is lahum arka'u. Bo. And when it is said to them that you bow, and what do they say? La yarka'un. They do not bow. They're not bowing. So that's what it means. So here, what we are looking here is your majhul. Majhul from qala yaqilu. So this brings to our, we'll stop our class here, inshallah, and the rest of the exercises we're going to do in our next class. Until then, keep practicing, keep writing. Assalamu alaikum.